DIY paint is very thick. It's a clay-based paint and allows me to pretty much get one coat coverage all the time. So what I'm doing now is applying a base coat of mint chip to the piece. Now, using the same brush, I'm going to dip into my Bohemian Blue, just getting a little bit at a time. It's very highly pigmented, so we're going to start slow and start blending. Okay, so now it's time to switch colors again. I'm going to mist it with my misting bottle, and that just has water in it. And then I'm going to start applying a little bit of Apothecary to just kind of change the tone a little bit and blend that in. Get some highs and lows, some contrast of color, and just bring this piece together. Here I chose to go back into my Bohemian Blue and highlight areas here and there. Darken some up, lighten some up, just keep blending until you like what you have. This is a really easy way. Make sure you have a nice brush and a water bottle, and DIY paint is easy peasy to blend. Okay guys, so now we're just doing some finishing touches, adding a little bit more here and there. Thank you guys for watching. This is Melanie from Vintage Makeovers with Melanie. Don't forget to subscribe and have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I am a DIY retailer. If you're interested in DIY paint, my affiliate link will be in the comments below. It's pretty awesome, pretty fun to use. I'd give it a try.